Yeah! Yum! Nom 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 nom. Wasabi's back with a new video for you guys today. Today is a special day. Well, not yet.
No, next week.
Next week, and we are preparing. We're preparing for baby Chase's birthday.
His first birthday, guys. Can you believe that this little baby is one?
Yeah,
basically.
Yeah, he's almost one, basically. Look at him biting my chain and everything. But yeah, so we are going to prepare for his birthday. His birthday is coming right now, guys.
His birthday is next week, Monday, but by the time you guys see this video, it will probably be in a couple days.
Yeah. So
and his birthday is what, the Monday?
The Sunday.
The birthday is
Monday. But we're gonna celebrate it on Sunday because everybody can come on Sunday, like mommy and stuff like that. So we're gonna celebrate it on Sunday for him.
And then Monday we have 2 appointments for him.
Yeah.
He has his heart checkup and then he has his 1 year checkup. So
bless you.
He's gonna get injections on his 1 year birthday.
So it's not even a good birthday if he
I tried to schedule it late so that he can enjoy like the beginning of the day and then we can, but he won't really know what's going on anyway.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do it on a Sunday. He won't know. I mean, when he watches this video when he gets older, yeah, exactly. I know. I'm sorry. I apologize. Okay. I love you. Okay. Tell him hi.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Hi.
Love you guys, and we're gonna get started in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog here. Make sure you smash the like button. As you can see, he's taking off my hat right now. And yeah, subscribe to be a part of the family. And yeah, let's get started in this vlog. Let's go. 1, take them out, Chase. Take them out. Say bye.
Say bye bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Wow.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, I'm gonna say bye. Okay, bye. We are here in IKEA, and if Daniel wants to get me a couch for my birthday or my Christmas, this is one of them right here that you should get. What is it?
10 years away.
This is a table, it's on sale, and this is a table that Daniel wants. See here? Voila. Hopefully Andrew can fix it and put it together. We're gonna have to beg Drew to put this together.
Guys, that's my new beauty table. So I found it at IKEA for $79. I already have a
It's on sale.
So I'm gonna set it up. You guys are gonna see it.
You're gonna be looking Gucci. We came here looking for it, and look here. There's none, but we found out there's one to the side, but it has a different price. It says $89.99. It better be the $79.99. Alright, we need justice for the price, right, Drew?
Yo, we need help to lift this up.
It's heavy, right?
Heavy.
Alright, I'm gonna help Drew right now.
Andrew with my precious cargo.
Yep. So cheers like
No, he is the #1 cargo, but this is my precious cargo that I just purchased.
And you're going to build it yourself?
No, Andrew's gonna build it with all the tools.
Oh, you bought this?
Thank you, Drew.
Thank you, Drew, for building.
Really appreciate it.
Are you buying me dinner?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, check out my new car. Check out my new car.
This is definitely not our new car. Hi, mommy, baby. What happened? What are you looking at? Wow, the trees. The trees. You look at the trees? Look at my son, how fresh he is today.
Guys, I'm about to lift this up right now. Not like hurt my back.
In first.
No, you gotta put it that way. Ah!
I want it backside, man. Dog. No, he did, no. No, man, with your foolishness. People, you don't want a brother? You don't want a brother. Because this is one I got this one in.
Oh, look where you're leaving, babe. You see this?
Damn, you're just gonna leave our garbage bin like that?
Oh, how can you, bro?
Yo, you don't want a brother, make you one in, make this one in.
We are here in Party City right now, and we are looking for all Elmo stuff. As we can see it, Chase does not like this, guys. Peppa Pig. He loves this, right, Chase? Right, Chase? You love Elmo? Yeah, Elmo. That. Your birthday's coming. Guess what? You don't even know what's gonna happen.
I know.
You're just smiling because
The
you don't even
birthday's
know.
for us.
Alright, so now we have Uncle Andrew that's gonna blow this up one day.
Oh, you got free helium.
Yeah, thank God.
Guys, we have to get this.
Look. Whoa, you're about to put Elmo on your head.
Oh my
Look at that.
Who's that?
Yeah, you got Elmo.
We had to get this.
Our plan is to get everything Elmo.
Yeah.
Everything, the whole house, I got Elmo. Well, not really the whole house. The whole section of our house is going to be
We're just
Elmo.
decorating by the dining table.
And you guys are probably saying it's not Helmo, it's Elmo. But me I could call it Helmo.
Oh my god.
Okay. So, oh, and we want to go get the
What?
costume. We have to go we have to order the costume online because it's on Amazon, right?
This is our last resort.
Yeah.
Don't get a costume.
We want to get the costume so we can put Uncle Andrew in the costume and run around and surprise Chase. He's not gonna remember this. You only have to watch this video and that's it.
We were going to do it at the park and have a big party, but then we're like, he's one.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know what's going on.
Yeah, it don't make sense because it's like we think get older and we can actually enjoy it more with him and get more stuff and
And
stuff
we can
like
go
that.
to Disney and all
Disney and
those
stuff,
places.
yeah. So guys, we're gonna have mostly adults there.
Maybe 4 kids.
Both 4 kids, and we're gonna actually
8 loot bags.
get loot bags. You wanna see it?
Look.
Look.
What's that? That's Elmo.
Yeah,
That's
Elmo. Guys, he just likes Elmo so much.
That's
Yeah, that's Elmo. Every time he sees Elmo, guys,
He loves
he
Elmo.
flips
and
out.
If it's not Elmo on the TV, he doesn't want to.
Yeah, look over here. Look at this clown, people.
What? Are you
This is what we have to deal with, you know.
I'm trying to be Spider-Man.
Look, and him can't get it off, you know.
That's for our child.
It's kind of cool. Why don't that big people things like this?
This
my God.
guy, dog, get him out of here. So guys, we've been here for about 45 minutes, and Daniel and Chase don't want to leave the place. They're just looking at the Elmo section.
Just putting back everything and take off.
Listen. We're on a budget too, okay? Okay? Alright guys, as you can see, we're at Walmart here and
Yo, people,
Drew.
let him shut up. for a second.
Here.
You know how long it took him to decide what size TV he wanted? And let's make it clear. Daniel, my good sister-in-law, suggested, 40 or 42 inch? No, Mr. Chad has to get the 50.
No, because it was on sale. That's
It
why I
was-
got the 50. You
doesn't-
see it? That's why you talk too much. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. You talk too much because it was on sale. Only the 50 is on sale, not the 40. I'm not allowed to pick up anything for the
my
house
God, look.
because,
You know how long we wanted this?
What?
yeah, we should get one.
We wanted this and then we couldn't find it.
Yeah.
You need it, yeah.
So people can just
Use
stop
it.
asking about Wi-Fi passwords.
Guys, alright, so let me tell you something. I actually picked up something for the house the other day and Daniel was so mad and it's not even working.
It's not working.
I'm going to show you when we go home. Like, it's so embarrassing.
That was an impulse buy. And
Yeah.
I told him don't buy it and he bought it.
But
You're
this
getting this?
this is sick.
Yeah, we need that.
This is vacation money, you know? Something that we need to go take.
Yeah, we do need a vacation.
Guys, look what Heigelness caused. Look what Daniel's doing.
Jesse, you like that one?
You like that one more?
He likes that one more than this one.
Chase, look! Chase!
Yay!
Yeah!
You
Yeah!
like, oh look, the bunny.
You like the bunny? It costs too much money!
It's his birthday.
Oh, his birthday coming. We have to go buy
It's
presents
in
for him.
5 days. Oh, don't buy no presents.
Uncle
I know what
Andrew,
he's
Hi.
have you buy any present for Chase?
Just relax now. We got this.
Me not think you buy nothing. You not buy nothing.
No.
Okay. Drew is helping us today, guys, and he said he wants something for his job. Yeah, we're gonna get him this little igloo right here.
Yes. And guess what? It's only $14.99.
How much?
$14.99.
Guys, we are finally back home right now, guys, and yeah, we just did a live actually. And if you guys haven't watched the live, go and watch it on our second channel. Make sure you subscribe because you know we'll be live on there, and you guys can have a one-on-one counter reaction.
Counter reaction.
Encounter with us, okay? You can encounter with an erection, with a teraction, with a eviction.
Let it stop.
Alright, anyways guys, as you can see, Mr. Chase is eating chicken at the moment. Where's all the chicken? You ate off all the chicken? You ate off all the chicken? Mushy man eat off all the chicken? Yeah! Yum! So guys, you know, Daniel tell you that I had an impulse buy, and yeah, I'm gonna show you right now what it is. It's very embarrassing that I'm showing this, because guess what? It didn't turn out the way I wanted to turn out, okay? I tried my best, you know, but it never works, okay? I saw something that I always wanted when I was young as a child, and turns out I actually got it, and I regret it now, because it's just not even worth it, because it's like not even a replica. It's not my child that I was thinking of, because when I see it, when you guys see it, I'm gonna show you right now. Look at this. Look at this. You know the thing that floats up and down here, guys? Well, I bought one at 5 and below, guys.
Well, that says it all.
Shush. Yeah, it didn't turn out the way I wanted, okay? I actually flipped it and everything, and it still doesn't work. It's really hot right now. My hands are burning me. I think something is wrong though. That's really hot. But yeah.
Look, it floats.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
It doesn't. No, trust me. It doesn't. And yeah, I'm very embarrassed. I went with the instructions. They said just heat it up with the thing on here and it should work. But you know, in life you're gonna have challenges, and one of them is buying foolishness like this. This was before our marriage or relationship, or this actually went through 2 different type of relationships. You know, I had a girlfriend before Daniel, and yeah, this actually went through everything, guys. This actually saw college and stuff like that. This TV right here, guys, this big. As you can see, it has a square back for a flat.
It's a flat screen with a square back.
With no remote or nothing. See, said Dynex.
That's Chad's fave.
My favorite, and this TV means a lot to me. That's why we're not getting rid of it.
Yes,
we're actually gonna
it's going in Chase's room.
Chase's gonna have one himself, and yeah, dude, I'm gonna miss the dog. That's all I'm saying.
We actually got samples of paint, guys, to actually change the color.
We're gonna change up the whole of this, guys. We're gonna actually make it just white.
Yeah.
Right now, we're gonna make the whole of this right here white. This whole white.
And the kitchen is gonna change out
too. Yeah, we're gonna change out the color of the kitchen as well. And the reason why we get this TV, guys, like I said, this is very outdated, like literally outdated.
Alright, people. As Daniel said, you ever hear of a flat screen with a big back? That is it.
Literally, it has a back. Look at the back, guys. Look at the back. Yeah, so that's the reason really why I'm getting this right now. And thanks to Drew's gonna get it mounted up for us, and you guys can see that. And hopefully get mounted up by tonight. If not, we'll say another time for that. So. Alright, guys, we are in the back of Chase's wall right here, guys, and actually we're fixing up here too as well.
Yeah, because we made that executive decision that the crib is gonna go in our room.
Yes, and the reason why is we're trying to make him practice to sleep in his own crib, because you know in a full bed now him I'll kick you on a piss pan and stuff like that.
And his room doesn't have a door, as you guys know. It's a loft, really. Yeah. So any little noise, he's gonna wake up if the dogs bark or anything. So to start him off, we're gonna start him in our room. Yeah. And so we're trying to put the playpen in here. Yeah. And then the crib in our room. Yeah, and right now we have the playpen inside, as you guys saw. It's actually inside there in our room right now, and he loves it. He loves it in there. And yeah, we're actually gonna get this inside. As you can see, we're actually constructing some stuff right here. Yeah. As you can see, Chase is right here playing around. And my desk is actually gonna go right here. Yes, so Danny's gonna put her desk here, guys. I'm gonna share this room with Chase because I don't have anywhere else. Yeah. And he's not in here. He's only in here to play. Very little too, because he's always in our room. Desk in here. Yeah, alright. Today was one of the off days for us, because honestly, the time has like went by so fast. It's 8 o'clock right now. Because they changed the time, guys, for us, and it is really we woke up late. We just haven't gotten it together today. We had video ideas to do today. Yeah, we had like 2 videos that we wanted to do for you guys today, and it was like so much things going on. We was just trying to do the errands, and that was how we get the TV, get the stuff for Chase, because you know we got this stuff. And then the thing is, his birthday is next week, and when you think about it, it's like tomorrow. Yeah. So it's like we have nothing. And we wrote down a whole list of stuff that we need, and that we're gonna order online, because we're gonna order that outfit thing. So actually, one of us wear it. Me or Drew wear it. And, we're gonna pretend to be like Elmo, just for Elmo. Yeah. But we already got 3 outfits. We got Chase's Elmo shirt, and then we got Dad and Mom shirt. Yeah, we got some shirts for Chase. But they're not gonna come until the day before. Huh? They're supposed to come the day before. Hopefully.
hopefully.
So hopefully.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna make it in time.
No, I don't know.
We're kind of fearing that right now because what happened? We got it late because we did.
It could come before.
We actually misjudged the week before because we thought it was like, all right, it's 2 weeks from now.
We still thought we had 2 weeks.
Yeah,
but it's actually just a week.
It's just really a week because we're doing it on a Sunday. That's what throws us off. And yeah. So right now it's just like a catastrophe
going
on.
Like we're always last minute, as you guys know. With
Jamaicans,
the baby show.
Jamaicans are always last minute, just like me.
The baby show was last minute.
Yeah.
The gender reveal was last minute,
Everything
and the birthday is last minute.
We need to do better. Me and Daniel need to do better.
We're horrible planners.
Yeah,
so.
I plan our life and stuff like and goals and stuff like that, but for stuff like this,
like
it's like
birthday parties and
it's so hard because you know like there's so much.
Normally.
Yeah, it's some things that we normally
even on
do.
birthdays we don't normally do anything big or nothing, so we're not used to.
Yeah, and that's the thing. We had to do something for Chase because we want to make sure at least see when you get older. And remember, these videos are for him.
We want to do at least good pictures.
Yeah,
and we're just gonna have like close, like the same people you guys always see because we're not having a party, and with everything that's going on, like the virus
and
stuff
like that,
we don't want to go anywhere with like big crowds or nothing.
Yeah,
so
because we were actually gonna go in a park. That's what our first intention was, but honestly, it did not work out because the way how the park thing set up is like.
It's not only that; it's like space for too much. Yeah,
people. And it's too much. It's like up to 80 people or something like that.
Yeah, the small ones. By the time we went to look, we're done.
Yeah.
And then I guess because his birthday is in March when it's starting to get hot again and it's spring.
A lot of people, you know what's crazy? A lot of people rent out them stuff already. Like it's already like half of them book out already.
Like the pool side, like you know they have the pools in the park. That's all that.
All that book out, like that's crazy. Like the people in plan way like us, we no plan.
So I think we're gonna have to get better with planning as birthdays go on because when he's like 5 and he knows it's his birthday. We're gonna have to do something big.
And those are the things that I think you'll remember more, and that's why we want to do those more like going to Disney and them places when them get older.
They actually have Sesame Street Land at SeaWorld, and we wanted to go, but not with like Corona going around. So maybe next year. We are going to end this video right here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel right here and all the other channels out there. Danny has a new video, you guys can go check out. All the channels are in the link below. Yeah, and we really appreciate all the love and support, guys, and you know, thank you guys again. We can't say this enough, and really appreciate you guys, and we are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to Sash and Jem. Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to Sana Douglas. Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to Shante McFarlane. Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you guys. If you guys want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, comment down below. Notification Chase is getting big right now. Comment down below that right now. Chase is 1. Yeah, and subscribe, hit the bell, hit the notifications. That's where you get notifications, and hit the like button. Okay, thank you guys, and we'll see you guys another time. Peace.